Hey guys, Chad with AA Patio Covers here. We're coming from Tacoma, Washington today. We've got another roof mount patio cover installation here. So we do this about 70% of our jobs. When the eave height here is too low to get out here and have a nice height, we do the roof mount installation. So right now we're at 7.5 to the outside beam, which is plenty for the average person. I'll take you through what we do. First we come in and we locate all the trusses, and then we come up here. You can see we mark the trusses dead center where every bracket goes, and then we use this triangulated 3-piece bracket and we mount directly into the trusses. So the load-bearing wall is just behind here. So on an application like this where there's a driveway and a gate, you got tractors and stuff going by, if somebody's ever to hit this, you don't have to worry about this being compromised and having any kind of leak on your interior space of your home. So this works out really great. Been doing it like this for 30 years, no problems. We also triple seal the bracket, the bottom, all the bolt heads, and around the whole perimeter. Much safer than just like a roof nail on a jack like that. So, but this is how we do it. So usually we're about 6 feet between brackets, and this works out real great. So you see the gutter height here to the roof height here. So usually the height of our patio cover is about the same as the gutter out there. So that's how it works for us, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe. Thanks again.